Good afternoon, you are welcomed by Citadel Watch. This stylish Hublot men's watch is a true work of watchmaking art. The condition is excellent despite the fact that it has been previously used. The case is made of solid steel, giving the watch a rugged and elegant look. The sapphire crystal not only provides reliable protection from scratches, but also gives the watch a sophisticated look. The rubber bracelet adds a modern accent and provides comfort when worn. Although there is no box, the watch comes with a card to prove its authenticity. Manufactured in Switzerland, it carries a legacy of high quality and craftsmanship. The self-winding mechanical movement ensures accuracy, and the power reserve of 42 hours makes it a reliable companion at all times. With hour, minute and date display functions, this watch is not only a stylish accessory but also a practical tool for everyday use. The water resistance protects it from splashes, making it suitable for everyday life. The dial is in excellent condition, without any damage. They are the perfect combination of style, functionality, and reliability. Good shopping and have a great day.